Git Shortlog is a powerful command line tool used to summarize the output of the git log command. It organizes commit history by author, making it easier to understand individual contributions and project summaries, and is particularly useful when creating release notes. The Git Shortlog command summarizes the output of git log, grouping commits by author, and displaying the first line of each commit message. To use it, simply type Git Shortlog in your terminal. This will output a list of authors, the number of commits they have made, and the first line of each of their commit messages. As an example, Alice Smith may have 3 commits related to user authentication, including adding the feature, fixing the login page styling, and updating the README. Similarly, Bob Johnson may have 2 commits focusing on implementing product search functionality and optimizing database queries. Git Shortlog comes with several options that allow you to customize the output. The S or summary option shows only the commit count per author. This is useful for quickly seeing who has contributed the most. For example, the command Git Shortlog S would display a list of authors and the number of commits they have made, such as Alice Smith with 5 commits, Bob Johnson with 3, Carol Williams with 2, and David Brown with 1. The N or numbered option sorts the output by the number of commits instead of the author name. This will show the most active contributors first. For example, the command Git Shortlog SN will sort by the number of commits, displaying Alice Smith first with 5 commits, followed by Bob Johnson, Carol Williams, and David Brown. Here are a couple more useful options for Git Shortlog. The E or email option displays the email address of each author alongside their name. This can be helpful for identifying contributors more precisely. For example, Git Shortlog SE would show Alice Smith, along with her email address, alice@example.com, and the number of commits. Another useful option is since or until. It filters commits by a date range, which is helpful for generating reports for specific periods. For example, Git Shortlog since 1 month ago would show commits made in the last month, listing authors like Alice Smith with her commits and Bob Johnson with his. Git Shortlog offers advanced options to create custom reports. You can combine multiple options to create customized reports for your project. For example, Git Shortlog SNI since equals 2023-01-01 until equals 2023-12-31 would provide a summary, sort by number of commits, include email addresses, and filter commits between January 1, 2023 and December 31, 2023. This gives a detailed overview of contributions within that year. You can also filter by author. By combining with grep, you can filter commits by specific authors. For example, Git Shortlog sgrep Alice would show the commit count for Alice only, giving you a focused view of their contributions. Git Shortlog has several practical applications. It can be used for generating release notes. You can create organized release notes by summarizing changes since the last release tag, grouped by contributor, using the command Git Shortlog v1.0.0, v2.0.0 release notes.txt. This command creates a text file with a summary of commits between version 1.0.0 and version 2.0.0, useful for documenting changes. Git Shortlog is also useful for team contribution analysis. You can analyze team contributions over time to identify active contributors and workload distribution using the command Git Shortlog SN since equals 6 months ago. This command sorts the output by commit count and shows contributions made in the last 6 months, helping you understand who is actively contributing. Here are some tips and best practices for using Git Shortlog. First, use consistent author information. Configure your Git username and user email consistently across machines to ensure accurate attribution in Shortlog reports. Second, create aliases for common reports. Set up Git aliases for frequently used Shortlog commands to save time and ensure consistency. Third, combine with other Git commands. Pipe shortlog output to other commands like grep, sort, or head for more targeted analysis. Finally, export to files for documentation. Redirect shortlog output to text files for inclusion in project documentation or release notes. Git Shortlog is a powerful tool for understanding project history and team contributions. Use it regularly to gain insights into your development process. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.